Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Alright, so on the first corner, which is usually where I start, I try to go to the tallest corner. I make a mark on the front where I'm going to go to, which is right there, let's say. And I start about 1.5 inches over on both sides. See how the center is here? And you can use a speed square and all that stuff if you want. Then I'm going to take these snips and cut over to that center mark there. Open it up a little bit more. Hold it, and then that allows me to get a corner without any interference. All right, now this level down is going to be the back side. So the material will be up against this and up against that. You got to do both sides of it. Take that hammer and drive it down like so. Now I'm going to go to that end. And get a nail or two. That one lays in there. That way. Over to that corner, right there. Literally, I can make a mark in the mud here. This is the back. So, we'll want the width of this is about 7/8 of an inch. So we need to be about, this is back, need to be about 1/2 inch or so here. Maybe even 7/8. So, I gotta lift it out of there anyway. Go a little further on this one. I'm gonna fold this down. Alright, And we can fold this like so. We'll double check again. Make sure we're okay back here. Okay, we gotta push that down on me. What did this guy do? Okay, there we go. Now, get all this tied. Where he's at there, probably need to try and lift up. So we'll put a cut right here to get that where it needs to be. All right, now we'll go down that side. Let me put one more in the front here. Probably right there. Right over 3 feet. Don't need the snips anymore. That's it. So we're going to keep doing that all the way down the side. Fill bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.